Hopefully you're doing okay. Sorry if you hear any noise in the background. Um, there's a lot of noise around me right now. But anyway, I just wanted to talk about the Flare network and how to stake your Songbird. If you received Songbird because you have XRP and you got the airdrop, and now you may have gotten another airdrop. If you have the Songbird token, you may have gotten the Exfi token, which was just airdropped. You can check your MetaMask, add the token, see if it's there. Everyone didn't get it. I guess there were certain requirements. So even if you have the Songbird, you may or may have not gotten it. They did have certain requirements, but maybe you did get it. It was like if you had 250, something like that, you would get one XFi token, but then at the end they changed it and you had to have like 300 and something. So maybe you didn't have that many, so you might have not gotten it. I'm not really sure, but they do have a article on it. Flare does on medium.com, explaining that at the end there was a mix-up and they had to change it, so that may have affected if you've gotten the last airdrop. But anyway, if you have these tokens and you're wondering what can I do with them, you could of course try to sell them on an exchange that they're supported on, or you could have just held on to them in your MetaMask or Live Ledger, or your ledger, Nano Ledger or NanoX, and just sitting there, which that's what I did. But or this other thing you can do is you can play around on FlareX, and the URL here is xfx.flr.finance. And if you come here, you have the Songbird. If you go to the swap tab up here, you can connect your wallet. And here you can see I have a couple. I had more, but I swapped them out for other tokens. So you can see there's different pairs here. If you want to provide liquidity, the Songbird and the Canary token. Yeah, I believe that's the Canary token. So yeah, you have your Songbird, you swap it out for something else, and there's a few fees. And usually there's a chart here. I don't know, for some reason it's not showing, but if you go here to liquidity, that's where you can do the liquidity tokens. I don't know if it's going to load, but yeah, it's here. See, it's for some reason it wasn't loading, and it may be because I don't have it connected. But here's where you provide your liquidities, and all the pools will show up with whatever tokens you choose. You can look in the pools to see which ones you want to provide liquidity for. So this is like any DeFi platform where you swap, you provide liquidity. If you come here, this is where you do the farming, and they also have loans here, where they do have some stability pools where you can stake and earn rewards. All of these you will earn Flare token rewards. So I just wanted to let you know, you can come here to Flare Farm. You are using an experimental product suite on the Songbird Canary network. Please be aware of the inherent risks involved. So this is not the official Flare Finance launch, but this is like their test net that DeFi protocols usually have before they launch their main net. So I just wanted to let you know, if you want to start earning rewards with your Songbird tokens, this is how you can do it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll try my best if I remember to leave these links below. Thank you. And if you like this content, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.